Welcome back to MyDan Computer Training Channel. You've already seen how powerful CapCut AI tools can be. But here's the thing, to really take control of your editing, you also need to understand the basics. And that starts with knowing your way around the CapCut interface. In today's episode, I'll give you a simple, beginner-friendly guided tour so you feel confident before editing your first video. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this series so you don't miss the rest of the tutorials. On-screen text animation, CapCut interface, beginner's tour. Step 1. Home screen overview. When you open CapCut, the first thing you'll see is the home screen. From here, you can start a new project, access templates, open recent projects. Explore AI tools. Think of this as your starting point for every project. On-screen caption. Home screen. Step 2. The editing workspace layout. Open a blank project. Narration. Once you start a new project, you'll land in the editing workspace. This is where all the action happens. It's divided into 3 main sections. Media panel, where you import and manage your clips, images, and audio. Preview window, where you can see your video as you edit. Timeline, where you arrange and edit your clips. On-screen graphic overlay, 3 arrows pointing to media. Preview. Timeline. Step 3. Importing media screen recording. Drag in a video and audio file. Narration. To bring in your content, click the Import button or drag your files directly into the media panel. You can add videos, pictures, or audio files here. On-screen caption. Step 3. Import media. Step 4. Timeline basics. Show video on timeline. Narration. The timeline is where you'll spend most of your time editing. Each video, audio, or text element appears as a separate track. You can drag clips left or right to change order. Zoom in to edit precisely. Stack tracks for layers of video, text, and effects. On-screen tip overlay. Timeline equals where editing magic happens. Step 5. Toolbar highlight, toolbar cut, split, speed, filters, etc. Narration. Above the timeline, you'll see the toolbar with tools like cut, split, speed, filters, and more. We'll dive deeper into each in future episodes, but for now, just know that this is where you access most editing functions. On-screen caption. Toolbar equals editing tools. Step 6. Preview window controls play, pause, scrub timeline, full screen. Narration. The preview window lets you see your project as you edit. Use the play, pause, and scrub buttons to check your progress. You can also switch to full screen to view your video in detail. On-screen tip overlay. Preview your edits instantly. Step 7. Export button. And finally, once your project is complete, you'll use the export button to save your video in your chosen format and resolution. We'll cover export settings in detail later, but this is where your finished project goes out into the world. On-screen caption. Export equals save your video. Step 8. Quick recap. Let's recap the CapCut interface. Home screen. Editing workspace gives media, preview, timeline, import media, timeline basics. Toolbar, preview window, export button. With this map, you'll never feel lost when editing. Now you know where everything is and what each section does. In our next episode, we'll jump into importing and organizing media, where you'll learn how to prepare your clips, photos, and audio before editing. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And let me know in the comments, what part of the interface seems most useful to you so far? On screen and card. Next, Part 3, Episode 2, Importing and Organizing Media. Comment your favorite part of the interface.